Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Marzocco Linea Mini, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. So we get a nice shot of espresso with good crema. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Hot water works well, and I don't have anything in the drain. The drain is not blocked. It needs a hose, so it just goes on the counter. But that's okay. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.